Why microlearning? This brief video will share information gathered from a brief survey conducted on the use of microlearnings as a training resource for employees in businesses and schools. So what are microlearnings? Microlearnings are short chunks of learning material provided when and where needed. The microlearning survey, with 5 brief questions on the topic, was distributed to 16 participants. The following slides are the results of the data compiled from the completed surveys. The first question was, does your school or office currently use microlearnings to deliver learning content? Based on the results, 75%, or 12 out of 16 respondents, answered that microlearnings are not currently used. The next question was, what are some of the reasons for microlearnings in your school or office environment? If not currently using microlearning, what do you think would be the best reason for using microlearnings? The majority of the respondents said that the best reason to use microlearning is to break up complex information into smaller chunks. The third question dealt with optimal length of time of a microlearning. 50% agreed that 5 minutes is the optimal amount of time. Data from a recent ATD survey seems to support this statistic as well. Optimal time from this survey was between 2 and 5 minutes. The next question from the survey was, how likely would it be that you would participate in training if it was offered as a microlearning? As you can see from this slide, very likely and somewhat likely were the most popular results. People like to save time when they are training. And the final question was, if given a choice, on which device would you prefer to take your microlearning? 94% of the respondents would prefer to take microlearnings on a laptop or a mobile phone. To conclude, it is obvious from the responses on the microlearning survey that microlearning should be an integral part of any training program. Microlearning makes it easier to learn on the go. Employees learn and develop new skills at their own pace. Microlearnings do not need to interfere with work. And learning is readily accessible anytime and anywhere with mobile phones and laptops. Thank you.